Hello, welcome to JavaScript Fundamentals tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert data types from one data type to another. And we are going to be dealing with 3 different data types. So quickly, I'm going to show you the data types that we are going to deal with. So the first one is going to be string. So we are going to learn how to convert string to Boolean or to number. The next one is number, and the last one is Boolean. So these data types are what we are going to use to learn how you can convert one data type to another. So let's go ahead and view our web page so we can track the changes we're making. So I will be concentrating on the console. So I'm going to navigate to the console. So you can see there's nothing in the console now. So to test run that everything is okay with the console, what I'm gonna do now is, remember already, this boilerplate has been generated and I have my code here. And of course, this links me to the external JavaScript file, which is this one. So I will console log, and I'm going to say hello world. Okay, so always remember to terminate is best practice. So let's see. So as I can say, hello world is there. So I don't particularly need hello world. So I will just start with the first conversion. So here, first of all, what I need to do is that I need to declare a variable. My intention here is that I have a string variable and I have a string variable that I want to convert to in numeric variable. So I'm going to give this string number equals, so instead of just typing 2 as a number, I am making 2 a string literal. So in that case, if I simply check data type, if I check the data type of this number, I am going to see something like this type of string number. So let's see what it gives us. So as you can see, this is a string. Okay, so I do not want this particular string number to remain there. So because I need 2 to be converted to number, so I'll go ahead and reassign to 2. I'm going to use the number function, which is capital letter M, then number, then put in the string number. So I don't want you to get confused. So because of that, I wouldn't like to use this. I will use converted let converted value. So here, let's check what the converted value is. So as you can see, the converted value is now number. So what we just did is that, first of all, we have a variable string number that has a string literal of 2, which is a string. And next is that we have to convert the string literal to number by using the function number. Okay, so using the function number, we place number as an argument to the function. So that way, whatever that is contained in the string number will now be reversed to number, and that's why we got the type of converted value as number, as you can see in our console. So let's also do a conversion from one string. I want to do a kind of reverse. So I'm going to have a number, let number, or let n. Remember what we used let for. Okay, so this let n, I'm going to just put my n here to confirm the actual data type for now. Okay, and you can see that it's a number. All right, so I want to convert n. Converted n equals, how do I convert n to string? So I'm going to use the string function. So converting to string means that you have to use the string function and passing the argument n. So always remember best practice. The first declaration, use the let keyword. And what I'm going to do now is that I will check the type of converted n. So, which of course, this one will now give me string. Right? So at this point is number. So let's check. Converted n should of course give us string. So as you can see, it gives us string. Okay. So the next one we're going to do is Boolean. How do we convert a value to Boolean? So I will be needing this, so I'm going to duplicate it here. Okay, so here I'm going to say is adult. Okay, so is adult true? So in that case, what I'm saying is that the value for this variable is true. So I don't want to use this value. I want to actually convert it to number. Okay, so I'm going to create another variable called Boolean number. All right, so how am I going to convert this this particular variable, Boolean variable, to number? So I'm going to convert it by using the same number. Remember, if you're converting to number, always use number function. So, and I will pass this Boolean variable to it. When I come over here and make reference to my Boolean number, which should automatically change this true to a number 1. So let's confirm what we're dealing with here. Okay, so all right, yeah, so it changes as to 1, but again I need to actually see that 1. So let's console to see what it gives us. So as you can see, it changes as to 1. All right, so now the next thing I'm going to do is that I want to actually make this to be like, you know, a number n, and I have this n to be 0. Right, now I want to actually convert this n Boolean n. let Boolean n be equal to, I want to convert this n, which is a number, to Boolean. So can you guess what I should use? I will have to use the Boolean function. So using Boolean function, and I'll pass in the argument n, and let's see. I have my Boolean n, and of course type of Boolean n. Let's check it out. So guess what we get here? We are going to get, because this is a false value, I'm not going to delve deeper into falsy and truthy values in this tutorial, in this lesson. So, but 0 is a false value, meaning that it's going to evaluate to false in the Boolean context. So, but anything that is not 0, any number that is not 0 or negative, is going to evaluate to a truthy value. So 0 will be false in this case. So let's see, at this point, consoling it at this point is going to give us false. So as you can see, this is false, and of course it has changed to Boolean. So assuming we have anything that's 1 or 2 or any number that's above 0, then we are going to get true. So you can see that. So if I change it to 3 also, we are still going to get true. Right? So now that's how to perform conversion in JavaScript. So I hope you've learned a lot. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, this lesson, please kindly subscribe and share and like also. So if you have any question or any particular topic in JavaScript you would want us to treat in our next tutorial session series, then you should feel free to comment that in the comment box. So that's it for now, and I hope to see you in our next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye.